Hey my youth, you know where you watch? Dancehall.
Alright viewers and subscribers, you don't know this is the Skilla, you see it? Now, right about now, I have a very exclusive scene, a video footage of the whole shooting incident that took place at Guinep Tree, Maypen, Clarendon, Jamaica. That would have been Sunday morning, which is the 26th of May, 2019, you see it? Now, in this video, it shows of the whole thing will take place, you know, the whole shooting incident and everything. So be advised that some of the things we have hear and seen in this video, it is not suitable for everyone, right? Viewer discretion is advised, all right? Observe.
Then do I look? Before they come there, they come back. This is what they did. So I'm going to come. I tell about me if I that place. No, the man them dead. The man in a nice supermarket. They just have a nice supermarket. They have a nice supermarket. Because they get gunshot and open, and so they don't come on now. Where's what they in there? And the man come up and do away. Yo, I keep going to get the money and everything. And be right, you know what they have enough? More come. So police are come. Soldiers are come. They now get you again about buck yard. They now get you again. When I locks come up there, they now get you again. Gunshot or fire now, you know. I bought the pinty blood clear rifle. They come across some soldiers and some police, you know. You bought them pinty rifle out there. With the police them up there, so. Yeah, man. I those police and soldiers we quarrel them. I just quarrel them with them. Can't get you again. You come like a white throwbacks out there, you know. A white throwbacks out there, come like I see boy them coming there, you know. Them can't get you again, then get fucked. Then just get fucked, then get pinned down. I tell you. Then not get you again. Then can't get you again. Them a try beat up some shot, but then can't get you again. Too much police night. Too much police and so then I done. Then can't. Yo, Mr. Then can't get you again. Sure I'm moving up to the next time. They come back, shot by a fire, but police and yo, then can't get you again. I tell you. They can't get you, take a miracle for them get police and dumb stuff. Them can't get you again. Boy, turn out correct. Them can't get you again. Say, boy, I knock you right for that, you know. Boy, I knock you right for your fuck. Then why helicopter and sitting there? I tell you, say, you that town. You that. Eh? Be a police. So they start coming. What? The boy push out your rifle. Police come away. I want to go back, say, boy, you have to be there waiting. More police are coming. You want them to come from one direction. I fool them, you know. And they know it all, you know. Fool them, boy, heavy artillery, you know. Them boy over there, that soldier and police, a chain boy there. Chain boy there. Boy, in chain. Waste my waist and rounds, man. I'm a curry the place now. Some gonna blow gun street. Some gone around. Yeah, them a grown and grown. Boy, them all dead, man. Them all get catch. Where helicopter there in 16? Boy, you tell you like police come away. They know say serious. They know say serious. They know get no shot still and then tap up so. They know say serious. Them all dead, man. Okay, and when they Chinese them as hostage. Bumbo clad. As hostage, and when they Chinese them as hostage. Try Chinese them. Yeah, and when they two them. And when try Chinese. Run Chinese, run, what you fuck at them, run. Then call them back. Like they want to say, when I go back out with anything, man. They're not escape. They'll be Chinese them to blood clot. You have to try Chinese them. I'm not trying to move. They're not going nowhere at all. The boy, you know nervous. The boy, you know nervous right there, no? The boy, you know nervous, no? The boy, you know they're going to fuck. A train boy, man. Train boy, them, but they go to prison. Because they're not dead. They don't know say. But I know not what you don't come there. Helicopter in a year yet. Me pay lame daddy. Me pay lame, me have a whole action party. You if a gunshot up outside China them years now. You could make a 2 state police over station to push it. You could make a 2 police at low level over station. I'm going to go back. 2 pro box out here. 2 pro box. 3 pro box. Then now I'm going to win one. I'm going to try to drive out. What are China there? A taxi in the hills now? Yeah, man, one of them. They're going to shot the boy head. They're going to shoot him. They're going to shoot a fool. They're going to shoot the fool. Man, they make him enjoy with your blood clot. Man, they make him roll me. Then we are with China them. Then go with China them. Down with China them. Bomb.